Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is NUR ALYA QASDINA binti NUR ASMADI. My metric number is PA22A241 and I'm from lecture 3. Have you ever wondered how pickles are preserved? How pickles are durable and we can keep it for a very long time? Today, I'm going to share with everyone about vinegar. Vinegar is used as a food preservation since it can slowing or stopping food from spoiling for a very long periods. The pH or acidity of vinegar that inhibits bacterial growth, and this process is most commonly called as pickling. Vinegar is mostly made out of ethanoic acid, which has a chemical formula of CH3COOH, and it has other name which is acetic acid. This compound belongs under carboxylic acid with a general formula of RCOOH, which refer R as methyl group and COOH as carboxyl group. Ethanoic acid known as weak acid because it ionizes partially in water to produce low concentration of hydrogen ion. Do you know what is vinegar? Well, let me tell you. Vinegar is a liquid or solution that commonly has between 5% to 10% of acetic acid, as well as other properties such as flavor compounds and vitamins. Vinegar can be produced with two ways by fermentation. The first type of fermentation is alcoholic fermentation, where naturally occurring sugars are converted by yeast into alcohol. The second type of fermentation produces acetic acid by using bacteria. Acetobacter is a type of bacteria that ferments the alcohol and converts it into acetic acid. We are familiar that vinegar is used for cooking and as cleaning chemicals. But did you know that vinegar also can be used as a food preservation, for example pickles? The vinegar's acetic acid will increase the pickle's acidity and kill off any existing microorganisms that contain in it. This will help to prevent short-term spoilage of the pickles. When living microorganisms die, which is the bacteria, they activate several responses in the tissue that trigger the release of enzymes that start to break down the pickle. The acid from the vinegar, along with the naturally forming acids in the pickle itself, slows down the decaying process. There are certain salts, especially those containing calcium, that will help preserve some of the crunchiness of the pickle. There are two ways of pickling process, which vinegar-based and fermentation pickling. But vinegar-based pickling is a much faster process than fermentation pickling. So, what is the process? In short, vinegar solution will be boiled, then it will be poured over the pickle. Lastly, the pickle will let cool and keep it in the fridge. There is also other way pickles are made for maximum preservation power, as to add the crispiness and flavor, which is brine the pickles, then drain them. After that, boil the pickles in the vinegar solution. The last step is seal the pickles and hot vinegar in a can. To sum up, vinegar has lots of uses that we can relate to our daily life. As I said, it is not only for cooking and as a cleaning chemicals, but it can also be used for other things. Because of vinegar, there is a simple way that we can use to preserve food, not only to eat as a daily food, but also if there is a case of emergency and we need food that can keep for a long periods.